We're going to look at another formative assessment tool, Smartest K12. It is important to realize this is in beta mode, so it still is early in the life of this company. However, it is a great tool. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to sign up. And we're going to sign in as a teacher. And check it out. You always love the red button, sign up with Google. Give it access to your account. And now we'll be in. Now, Smartest K12 is a very cool tool. What we're going to do is we're going to create an assignment on here. Now you can build your own from scratch by clicking the build your own from scratch, and it's going to take you into this assignment generator. So this is going to be a sample assignment. And what I can do is I can add text questions. There's also a very cool drawing feature, so I can do something like draw and label the parts of your face. And what that type of question is, it actually uses the drawing tool. So the drawing tool would allow students to go in and, well, exactly like it says, draw a question. So if I wanted to add content, this would be the drawing tool. And they could draw their face and label different elements of it: eyes, mouth, nose. This is relatively straightforward. What we're going to actually do is we're going to cancel this, and we're going to go back, we're going to create a new assignment, and we're going to upload and transform a document. This is a very cool feature in this program. So what we're going to do is we can drag and drop a file here, but we're just going to choose this one. This is in my computer, and it is called Mental Math. So what it's going to do, it's going to actually upload this document. I'm going to be able to make this document interactive now for students using this platform. So now my document's been loaded in here, and you'll see I have my WizKid Math worksheet. And I have the problem number 1. So add 47, 21, and 12 mentally without writing the numbers. Explain how you did it. So what we actually want is we want an explanation from students. So I can click on this text feature right here, and I can actually draw in a text box where students will have to write in how they solve that answer mentally. And I'm going to do that again also for question number 2 and question number 3, because these all deal with that same type of problem. Explain how you did it. Describe how you did it. Now, I also have some other features. If, for example, I wanted to change something and I didn't want to explain how you did it, I can white out this piece right here, describe how you did it. That's now gone. So I'm going to have students again answer this in a text question, but now I'm looking for the number. Now there are other features up here: the take picture, the drawing, and the multiple choice. What these will add is these will add elements very similar. If I wanted to add a multiple choice, I would need to have the options A, B, C already, because all this is going to do is provide students with 4 choices that'll be A, B, and C, or D. That's the way that they'll select it. But I don't have the options written, and unfortunately right now you're not allowed to add text onto this PDF. You can only make it interactive. You can also have students submit pictures, and you can have them use the drawing feature as well. Once we're all done, this is going to be my mental math quiz. I go ahead and I can save this. And when it's time now to send this out with students, I can use the share with students. I give students this code, or they can go ahead and use this link. You also have an option for student view. So I, as a teacher, can log in as a student to see what this is actually going to look like for my students. Now you can see I'm logged in. There's an option for students' first name, for their last name, and then here's all those text boxes. So I can start typing and explain how I solve these problems. If I had used the multiple choice question, I would just simply have a drop-down list of A, B, C, or D, but again, I need to have those questions written there. If we go back, and again, I go ahead and I click on my mental math. I can share this with students with the code. I can send out the URL link. They log in. I'll also get some feedback results under the live results. of how people did and which students did. So here you can see myself as the sample. I didn't answer any of the questions. You can also set a key. So if I wanted for the question where I was looking for a specific number, I could put that number in there. This is going to be a really, really cool tool as it continues to develop. So why don't you give it a try, and good luck. Have a great day.